Okay, ganito. Meron ba kayong particular place na gustong bisitahin? Meron ka na, Bobby? Ay, sila eh. Si Magno, si Arno. Dito? Teka. Kasi gawin natin. Let's divide. Let's say, meron gusto kong isama. Meron ba kayong gustong gawin? Yeah, so we can, Why bother you?
Ayaw gumalaw ng tubig eh. Oo nga no? May tubig dapat mga ano. Bakit dito ba?
Ano nga, ayaw ko na ako makuha eh. Nadobo na ako.
Saka na lang yan. Pag-aawayan mo ba? Eh, naman ang mga... Hindi na humanitarian. Ay, taxi, tamo na! Go home!
Hindi, pwede yun. Kasi for a specific property yung the contract is for a specific property, hindi naman.
Makakatulong dahil.
Even better. Wala, they can't. Here na lang, bunod na lang here, oh.
Yun. Isipin natin.
Ayun.
Galing.
Guys, take your shovel. You don't mind, we will stay under the rain. You stay under the stage, right? No, because we only fucking rain. We're going to get wet. We march back. These are good colors. Come on, guys. Rain or shine.
Baka you love the mud, Hey guys, do you all have doxycycline?
Ah, already. Guys, complete.
Okay, smile.
Okay.
Not Sunday, ah.
Saturday.
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 Okay,
Sunday will be here.
Okay, 3 o'clock. We have done this time.
Okay, that's the three of you. There you are. Okay, girls. There was a girl. Which is a bit confused today. Just arrived from Bangkok. Okay, boots. Okay then. Thank you. Thank you. We have a tarpaulin here, but the typhoon don't need. We can change that date. Next night. No, we'll bring a new one on Saturday.
I'll have the guys spray the chapel para it's clean. We have fire trucks now go around. Get to some
Power
wash.
wash.
Para it will look better. How much of the population do you think has come back?
You're just looking out from the window, but most of the houses are
Still
empty.
Yeah.
Especially
Siguro
those who are
half pa lang,
leased
no?
or renting.
Half pa lang, no?
Half.
I really think, kaya we have a hard time, eh.
It's misleading because we come back on a Saturday. Some people only come back on Saturday to clean.
Clean, yeah.
But they say they're not here during the week.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
it might
Well,
actually
some
be
people
less
say
rain.
they have a condo somewhere, they rented somewhere, so, they're really not altogether back yet.
Yeah.
So, kind of hard to get them to clean up. We can't naman go inside and clean out for them
But that
without
one
them.
they're all back at the same time and clean.
Yeah, yeah.
Get it over
See, we
with.
try to get the community to bring out their stuff within the week. Siguro by this time, many of them will wanna come back already.
Yeah.
They were also kind of waiting for the bagyo. Kasi they said for bagyos pa. So I said, ate ka na kami babalik after all the bagyos are done. Di ba? Kasi baka hindi matapos.
Next year,
No? Up to year end. There's still So they said, so maybe now, Maybe this week they will.
Yeah.
Oo.
Okay, thank you also.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Guys.
Thank you.
Thank you. We are all-
God bless all of you. You will take care of him. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.